Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Homepage mistakes to avoid. It's important to design your YouTube channel because it's the page, the one that they see before they decide whether or not they want to subscribe to your channel. As you can see, this video right here, it pulled in 10 subscribers. So if I wanted to bring in subscribers, what I would want to do is find a video that is a top performer, just like that one right there. As a matter of fact, now if you had one like this video coming up right here, it only has brought in 2 subscribers. So if I wanted to optimize my homepage, I would want to pick the one that brings in the most subscribers. If my goal was to increase my subscribers, that's the one I would use. So we're optimizing our homepage with the trailer for the highest performing video. You go to your analytics, scroll down, it's going to show you your top videos in this certain period, the highest performing video. So that's the first thing that I've done. I've made sure that trailer video is either 1, introducing yourself, or 2, highest performing on views, or 3, highest performing on subscribers. I've been able to optimize my homepage. We want to go to the next level. As you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. I had to get my mindset right for it. Check out this video right here. 3 mindset methods every YouTuber needs to succeed. I put that together. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. Check those videos out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Amazon links in the description. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.